What's going down, everybody? Welcome to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Sean, and today I have something a little different on my channel that I usually don't do. It's usually, there's video games and toys and things like that. But today, I went to Uniqlo and picked up some of the 40th anniversary Gundam t-shirts, and I'm about to get into the try-on right now. Let's go! Alright guys, so this is the first shirt that I picked up. You see here the length, this is an extra large. It fits like a large on me that I get from other stores. But as you can see, it fits, the length is about where my pocket is, which is how I like to have my shirts. I don't like them extra long, and a damn sure don't like them extra short. So, as you can see, let me show you the back. The back doesn't get longer, it's all the same length. And as I'm moving closer here, let me show you guys the design. This is the MS-06 Zeku 2 design on this shirt, which is considered one of the bad guys in the show. Oh, you can see my beard through there, that's what's up. And right here, you notice you can see the insignia that they put on the shirts. It's like a little stitching embroidery right here. It's actually a sewn in stitching, which is pretty damn cool. And Uniqlo always uses that really soft cotton. It's like a I don't even know, it's like that baby soft cotton that they use for their t-shirts. So this is the first one I wanted to let you guys see. Let's get to the next one. This is the second shirt that I picked up, which is the same length as the first one, except for this one has this design in the back, which is right here, which is the Zeku 2 MS-06, which is the same one that's on the front of the other shirt. This one has the insignia right here on the pocket, which says, show here, MS-06S, Zeku 2, has the design on the back of the t-shirt. T-shirt's pretty cool. So this is one of my favorite shirts. This is the one that actually made me want to go to Uniqlo and get the collection. This is the full-on Gundam that everybody knows. Most people will know this actual design here because this is the most famous Gundam that they have in Japan. And if you notice, this one here, it's like a mosaic kind of design. It has the Gundam in the middle, but all of these little dots are actually different scenes from the TV show. Also, on the back, it has writing on the back also, which is pretty cool. Yeah, this is my favorite. This is definitely my favorite one. Let me get a little closer here so you guys can see that there. Yep, this is the one I'm probably gonna rock the most. And of course, these t-shirts are made so that you can wear them with anything you have. You can wear them with jeans, you can wear them with shorts. This summer, I'm gonna be rocking all of these joints. But like I said, this is my favorite right here. Let's get on to the next shirt. Alright, so this is also one of my favorite shirts that I picked up. Not as much as a favorite as this one, but it is one of my favorites also. It has one of the leading ladies from the TV show. And as you can see, it has the saying here, Amuro, do you read me? Anybody who's watched the show knows exactly what that means. So this one I picked up along with the rest, of course, and this one also has an insignia right here. And all of these insignias are pretty much stitched in, which I really like. They didn't actually iron them on like they do with some other cheaper t-shirts. So this is another favorite of mine. Now last but certainly not least, this is another one that I'm going to call one of my favorites. They all pretty much fit the same, as you can see. This one here has the design of the different episodes on the front, but on the back, this one also has a bunch of writing and stuff. On this side right here, minus the tag, on this side right here, you see the embroidery. That's actually a stitched in patch, which to me is cool as hell. So on the front here, you can see what's actually on the shirt. See if I bring it a little closer there. It's different scenes from actual Gundam episodes. And let me show the back again. And as you can see the back here, and then minus the tag, we get the little embroidery right there, which, bring that in real close. See that? That's nice. It's a patch and they sewed it on. Pretty cool. Yep, and it's another favorite. So all of the shirts are pretty much my favorite. That's why I picked up all 5 of them. They had other Gundam shirts, but I wasn't too keen on those. They had like a purple one and then like kind of a yellowish one. I was like, nah, son. I want these right here. All 5 of my favorites. Of course, I got 1 or 2 that kind of stand out above the rest, but they're all some cool shirts. So my 2 favorite ones is this one right here, and definitely this one right here. Another cool thing that they made with these shirts was the actual tag itself. The tag, if you can see here, it shows you a history of Gundam on the back, which you can read, 40th anniversary. And the tags are actually this particular shirt right here. All of the shirts were $14.90, which is kind of weird. It should have been $14.99, whatever. But these are some cool ass shirts. They are, let's see, what type of cotton is this? Uniqlo cotton. And the shirts are actually made in China. As you can see here, it has the Uniqlo and the Gundam collaboration on the inside. Thank you guys so much for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed it, because I enjoyed making it and I enjoyed going to the store and picking up the shirts. I'm glad that I was able to get there on the first day that they came out because they have my sizes. So let me know if you guys are going there to pick up any of the shirts. Let me know which ones you got. Let me know which ones you thought was the best that I got. And if you actually watch Gundam, and what's your favorite episodes and your favorite characters. Hopefully we can have a conversation in the comments below. If you want to make sure that you're notified whenever I make a video, make sure you hit that bell, like, and subscribe, and do the best thing, be good to one another. Peace.